Welcome in this video. Today we will unpack and unveil a CUBOT P50. So I have no idea actually what this brand is. It's the first time I get a phone from them. So this is a kind of cheap phone at around $100, but still with good specifications. So it is 6.2 inches screen, a water drop screen with 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM for around $100. Exactly closer to $125, but still far below the $200 mark. With a MT6762 octa-core, a rear main camera of 12 megapixels, a front camera of 20 megapixels, Type-C cable, which is actually why I got this phone, to change my secondary phone, which used to be micro USB, to finally get a nice USB-C secondary phone, which is much easier and will allow me to only have one type of cables with me at all times. The battery is a 4,200 milliampere capacity, so it's not so big, but again, in my case, at least for a secondary phone, it's more than enough at $125. Just, the phone that will stay with my secondary SIM card that stay at home all the time, and I use like for banking and things like that. So if I lose my main phone for whatever reason, it breaks down, I lose it while traveling, while doing something, like it happened to me actually last week. It fell from a balcony on below balcony where no one's living. It was impossible to get it back, my primary phone. I was happy to have a secondary phone, and this is why I'm upgrading my current secondary phone, which is micro USB to a USB-C cable. So CUBOT, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, CUBOT is a Chinese brand, of course, and it is powered by Android. So let's open this box and see what they have. So it is of course tightly packed, but I think I can get the plastic easily. Let's open it and let's see what it is. Okay, that's a nice box, but we are here for the device, not really for the box. And here we go. Oop. No, this will not stay in place. So here's the phone. This is the CUBOT. Yep, let's open it. We have a nice thank you card. Okay, what is the thank you card? Please peel off the film on the battery before you turn on the phone. Okay, open the back cover. It is actually removable battery. So this is a nice surprise. Even if we'll probably never update the battery, at least we have the option. So this is the phone. I took it with a black background, or dark gray. It is not black, it is dark gray. Anyway, it is nice, it is thin, and the most important in my case, it is USB Type-C with a jack plug for my headphones, because I don't like Bluetooth headphones. They take too much space and they are too easy to lose. A nice wired headphones, you can plug them wherever you want, change the device in a click. Like just unplug, replug somewhere, contrary to Bluetooth headphones, where it is difficult to change device, and when, like me, you have one computer, one tablet, two phones, Bluetooth headphones are just a nightmare. Yeah. Plus they take a lot of space, more space than light headphones with cable. So this is the phone, and what else do we get inside the pack? Here we have nothing. This is probably the warranty card. We have a quick start guide. We have the declaration of conformity. Okay, that's great. And here in another compartment, if we can open it. I'm not sure how to open this compartment. Let's get the quick start guide out. Okay. Okay, so we have of course a USB Type-C cable and a wall charger. And the wall charger, as you can see, arrived a little dirty, so maybe it is just actually just some dust. Nothing we cannot manage. So please, so what do we have to do? Peel off the film on the battery before you turn on the phone. Okay, open the back cover, remove the battery. Okay, and the phone comes with a silicone case, which I am removing now to access the battery. So here we can, the phone is beautiful, by the way, very nice. So here we can open open the phone. Of course, I just happened to cut my nails yesterday, and it is difficult to do anything without hurting myself. Here we go. Okay, so here it is open, and as explained on the guide, just peel off the film. So let's peel off the film. Remove the battery. Okay, remove the battery. Remove the battery. Okay, I would like to remove the battery. Okay, again without nails it's a little complicated. Like I just cut my nails yesterday. If you have nails it will be much easier. And now let's peel off this film. Okay, that's done, and we can install the battery again. So just slide this. I like very much that it is a removable battery. I haven't seen removable battery for so long. It is nice to see, nice to have, and hopefully we can easily upgrade it. So it is supposed to be a dual SIM. So here we have, so it is not a dual SIM phone. Wait, yes, okay. So here we can put the first SIM, here we can put an SD card, and we are supposed to be able to put a secondary SIM here. So on this phone actually with a removable battery, the SIM cards are very difficult to remove. In my case, for a secondary phone where I want to switch SIM cards kind of when I move and everything, this will be complicated to use. And push the switch from A to B and take out the SIM 2. Which switch? Okay, this is a little complicated. I'm not sure how to remove a SIM from there. Okay, we'll check it later. For now, let's just put back the cover, or actually not, we can leave it here. I will check the SIMs later, and let's just turn on the phone for the first time. So here we have the standard Android 3 buttons, the power button, volume up, volume down, and that's all the buttons we have. Let's see if the phone is working. Yeah, phone is working. So CUBOT, again CUBOT P50. So I would like to leave it here, but it keeps, oh yeah, okay, it is standing. So this is a CUBOT P50, and let's see how fast it can boot. Apparently not so fast. You better take your time. I'm not sure if the phone is working or not, but should be. Okay, so regarding boot time, it is not exactly amazing, but okay. Anyway, it is booting, and we have about $125 phone again with. Let's have a look again at the. So with a 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, which is the most important in my case. Camera won't be used much because it's a secondary phone, and same for the battery capacity. In my case, it's not so important, but for $125, it is a good solution. But you might be limited if you want to use it as your first phone and you have a heavy usage of your phone functionalities. Okay, so it is working, and here we are in the setup. So I will install the SIM cards later and do the setup. So anyway, hi there, English, you can select your language. Standard, connect to mobile network. There is no mobile network because I didn't put any SIM card. So yeah, so this is the step where I should insert SIM cards, and I will I will do it now. I have to take them out from my previous secondary phone. So thanks for watching, and again, so this is a P50. Actually, sounds like a nice phone, nice design. It is light, it is kind of cheap, and hopefully it will survive and be useful. Thanks for watching, and consider getting a CUBOT if you need a cheap phone with good specifications.